Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a cotton candy machine from Royal Catering. So as you can see, it's quite small, so it's definitely more for home use or as an additional piece of equipment, let's say in a restaurant on a pastry section or in a cafe or in a cocktail bar, just to do some of these fancy cotton candy garnishes. It's also fairly light. It weighs 1.7 kilogram and has a diameter of the bowl of 28.5 centimeters, so it's easy to move around and it's easy to store away. Before I show you how to make cotton candy with it, let me quickly disassemble it to show you the main components. First of all, that's the heart of the mechanism, that's the spinning handle. It comes off quite easily. Then you have the bowl that you can just twist around, lift, and that's how you take it off. And this gives you access to the base and the heating element. So the whole mechanism is inside, of course, and it works with 420 watts. So it's quite powerful for such a small package. So let me quickly reassemble it to show you how easy it is. Just put it back on, twist it in, tighten it up, and put the header back in just like so. And the device is ready to use. All right, let's turn it on. There's only one control. There's on and off switch. Before you put sugar in, just remember you need to let it warm up. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes, and it's quite important to let it heat up, because when you put sugar in when it's cold, it will just simply cook up and it will take much longer to make a portion. I'm using blue bubblegum flavor, but there's a variety of them on the market. You can buy them already pre-made, but you can also make them by yourself. All you need is some food dye and food flavor. Let's just put some sugar in. And by the way, this measuring cup is included in the set. It fits about 12 grams of sugar. Specified amounts of sugar are in the instruction manual, so you just look it up. All right, before I put it in, one quick remark. I am not a cotton candy expert. I do it the first time. But the instruction manual says it's pretty easy. So let's do it. You just put it there in the center, just like that. And it should start pretty much right now. So this is how much candy you get out of one single scoop. All right, kids will love it. Great for kids' parties, okay? And it's really easy. If I could do it, anyone can. It's really important to clean after a whole day service, and you do it very simple. Just by pouring around 100 ml of water in the center of the header, it will evaporate and spray the water all around the bowl, and it will accumulate in the very bottom of it. So let's turn it off for now. If you're looking for a cotton candy machine, just make sure you have a look at the website. There's a variety of them of different sizes, different shapes, with different purposes as well. So one's for home use, one's for the great outdoor parties. If you ordered this one, it will come with a 3-year warranty and it will be delivered in a box just like this one, with lots of styrofoam inside, bubble wrap, and of course the instruction manual, but nothing will happen to it during transport. If it comes to instruction manual, please note and have a read. There's a lot of useful information in it on the amounts of sugar, on how to clean it and how to use it the first time. So make sure you read it. Okay, that's about it. Let's summarize. It is quite small, very light and portable. It looks good, so it fits in your home kitchen. It's also a great addition in your commercial kitchen. It looks cool and is quite efficient. All right, so if you found this video informative, just remember to leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.